What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2000 Triumph Sprint. It's the 955i. Just gonna walk around this thing so you can see exactly what it is. Here on your rear tire's worn down a little bit, but I'm gonna call it like 40%. I think it would pass inspection. Definitely good to ride on. It is chain driven. There's the chain right there. Here you have your turn signal here, and tail light right there. Around to this side. You can see your rear brake down in there. See the C-Series titanium Two Brothers racing exhaust on there. That is that. There's a scratch right here that I wanted to point out. There are some slight imperfections on this bike. It does have the seat cowl, so that is that. There's the 955i badge along the side. This side's pretty nice over here. It's your rider peg with the brake. Here you have your passenger peg up here. There's the side of the motor in there. All this stuff's pretty good. It's an interesting color. It's growing on me. I didn't love it when we first got it in, but that is that. There's a Triumph badge on the side of the tank. The side of the tank is looking good. There's a scratch here on this fairing right there. There's your front wheel. As you can see, it has the dual disc brakes up front there on the other side. There's your four tubes, they're in good shape. There's the four tube on this side. Coming down to the brake right there. Here on the front fender, you have some slight scratching here on the front. There and there's two ones that are a little bit more pronounced. There you can see the headlights and the whole front fairing there. Jump around to this side. So this is one of the things I wanted to point out. This fairing actually got broken. It was this way when we got it. Looks like the person tried to fix it with some glue or something, but that is like that. You get the RS badge. So I wanted to make sure that you saw that. The same thing with the fairing right here, kind of in there below the handlebars. Looks like this piece might have gotten cracked or something and the person tried to glue it on. So I want to make sure that I pointed that out. The rest of this piece is in decent shape though. Again, there's your motor in there. Your kickstand. Got your rider peg, shifter, passenger peg. And I'm on this side. Coming back to the back again. These light little marks I think I already pointed out. Coming up over the seat cowl. Got the rider seat, tank protector, fuel cap. Then you got your clutch and all your controls here, throttle, brake. Turn the ignition on. Oh, I had to turn the kill switch off to get the gauges come on. Look at that. So 20,256 miles. There'll be a few more miles after the test drive. Make sure you watch the test drive if you're interested in this bike. Let's fire it up. Or let's pull the clutch first. There's that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal on that side. And front signal on this side. Got your rear signal there. And you got your rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2000 Triumph Sprint RS 955i. Thanks so much for watching. Don't miss out on this bike, and hope you enjoyed the video.